The Irrigation Flow Rate Calculator (GPM) per acre determines the water flow requirements for efficient field irrigation. Let's examine the three input fields. First, enter your field area in acres. This is the total acreage you need to irrigate. Second, input the application rate in inches per hour. This represents how quickly water is applied to your crops. Third, specify the available irrigation time in hours, the duration you have for irrigation operations. For our example, I'll enter 10 acres for field area, 10 inches per hour for application rate, and 10 hours for available irrigation time. Click Calculate. The calculator provides 4 key outputs. The required flow rate shows 4533.0 gallons per minute total and 453.3 gallons per minute per acre. These values tell you exactly how much water flow capacity your irrigation system needs. The recommended pipe size indicates 10+ inches for the main line, with a specific diameter of 18.5 inches. This ensures your piping can handle the calculated flow rate without excessive pressure loss or velocity issues. This tool streamlines irrigation system design by eliminating manual flow rate calculations. Find the link in the description below.